It's been 73 years since Tudor took on the freezing cold. It's not just a story of exploration and accomplishment, but a shared human story. Perseverance, precision, practicality. It's about time you met the Tudor Ranger. This tough, no-frills 2022 tool watch release is one of the most underrated in Tudor's lineup. It's simple, practical, and most importantly for any watch in the category, it's proven. Hi, I'm Matt from Exquisite Timepieces, and today I want to tell you about this amazing expedition watch from Tudor, as well as get hands-on with it so you can see what makes it deserving of the legendary Ranger name. For starters, what does a Ranger actually mean? Registered in 1929, Rolex and Tudor founder Hans Wilsdorf registered the Ranger trademark only 3 years after registering Tudor. At first, the Ranger namesake was not its own line, but rather a name to add an adventurous flair to dials. It wasn't until the Oyster Prince reference 7808 was famously utilized during the British Northern Greenland expedition, which championed the concept of an affordable, practical, and durable timepiece to Tudor designers. This specific Oyster Prince example performed so well that Captain J.D. Walker actually sent a letter to Rolex explaining his, quote, extreme admiration for the watch. The letter describes how the watch endured through freezing temperatures, water submersion, heavy equipment operation, and even dog sledding, all while maintaining, quote, remarkable accuracy with occasional time signals from England. So in 1965, Tudor released the Ranger, and it has the same design language we still see today. Black dial, Arabic numerals on the 3, 6, 9, and 12 o'clock indices. This is the definitive Ranger formula. Now, what has Tudor done to meet the needs of the Ranger namesake with this watch? For starters, inside this Tudor is the MT5402 movement, which boasts impressive specs for the price point. This automatic movement is Costco certified, ensuring the watch will remain exceptionally accurate even in difficult temperatures and conditions. The movement also has 70 hours of power reserve, making it weekend friendly. You can take the watch off on a Friday and put it back on Monday without having to set the watch again. Tudor made sure not to put this great movement to waste with 100 meters of water resistance, with the help of a screw-down crown and case back, as well as a domed sapphire crystal to keep that classic field watch aesthetic. Finally, the dimensions: 39mm case size, 20mm lug width, and 12mm case thickness. Some other things I love about this watch are the very subtle details. The hint of red on the second hand really gives this watch a much-needed relief and catches the eye quickly. The old-school Tudor Rose insignia inscribed on the crown. Unbelievably comfortable fabric NATO strap with spring bar adjustments. Do you think this is Tudor's most underrated watch? Let me know in the comments down below. This watch and many other Tudors are available on our website, exquisitetimepieces.com. I'll put in a link down below in the description, as well as contact info from our top-rated team. They can help you with every step of the Tudor buying process. We post watch reviews every week, so be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single video. I'm Matt from Exquisite Timepieces. Thank you for your time.